Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about how to cancel Alevia Amla fruit extract subscription. Okay, so first of all I want to tell you can cancel your subscription very easily by following these two or three methods. Okay, so the first method is like you need to visit on the official website, that is like alevia.com, and once you are on the official website you need to visit on the footer section at the very bottom side, and once you are on the bottom side there is a option like subscription. Okay, when you select subscription it will redirect you on this kind of a screen. In this screen you need to enter your email id, and once you send subscription login link you can cancel your subscription very easily. And this is the first method. If this method will not work, you can compose an email. The email format you can see on your screen, and in the end you need to add you need to ask a proof of cancellation also. And once your email is done, in the email you need to provide each and everything like your subscription starting date, end date, and reason of cancellation and all. Once your email is done, you need to send the email at the rate help@alevia.com, and once they receive your email they will provide you written confirmation. And if you don't get any written confirmation from their side, it means your subscription is still active, and you need to keep in touch with their customer support related to cancellation, because on the internet, like you can see it on Trustpilot, there are so many complaints regarding subscription model. Okay, so please ask a proof of cancellation also. If you forget to cancellation proof, then they are going to charge on your account. Okay, and if these both methods will not work for you, in this case what you have to do, you need to contact your credit card provider, and you need to tell them that you wish to cancel your unwanted subscription with Alevia Amla, and then they will cancel your subscription. And this is the only option to cancel your subscription. This is the only last option. Okay, so by using these three ways you can cancel your subscription. Okay, now if you have any questions you can make a comment. I will reply very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.